Welcome to the heart of the Amazon rainforest. A haven teeming with extraordinary and enigmatic wildlife, covering over 2.1 million square miles, the Amazon houses an astonishing array of creatures, from the treetops to the riverbeds. Meet the pink river dolphin, a mystical and gentle creature that roams the waters of the Amazon. These fascinating creatures are known for their unique pink hue and are essential to local folklore and beliefs. High in the forest's canopy resides the harpy eagle, a majestic predator with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. Let's explore the life of this apex predator. Hidden within the foliage, the poison dart frogs reveal a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors and secret toxins. These small amphibians hold remarkable significance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mesmerizing world of Amazonian wildlife. Stay tuned for more adventures in the wild. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for further exploration of our planet's wonders.